Hello and welcome. In this video, I will review the steps required to create a Google Sheets connection and operation. You would start by selecting the new Google Sheets connector, then click the plus symbol to create a new connection. In the Google Sheets connector or connection panel, enter the following details from your Google Cloud project. Client ID, you would just copy and paste this value from your project. The client secret, you'd start by selecting the Click to Set button, and then copy and paste the client secret from your project, and then click Apply. And then finally, the access token, you will need to click Generate. A new browser tab opens. You would then sign in and click Allow. By completing this step, you allow Boomi.com to access your Google account. And as a result, you will receive a message that the authorization code has been successfully received. You can now close the browser tab. A message in the UI will indicate the access token was successfully generated. At that point, you can click Close. Now click Save and Close. And finally, moving on to the operation, you click the plus symbol to create a new operation. And in the Google Sheets operation panel, you would select the connector from the drop-down list. Then click Import on the top right. Once the import wizard appears, you would enter the following information. The atom would be selected from the drop-down list. The connection is the connection that you just created in the first part of this tutorial. Spreadsheet ID, you can get this value. The string actually sits between the /ID and /edit string. The sheet title can be found at the bottom left corner. And then finally, the checkbox with regard to headers, you would not select this checkbox. Initial column, you're allowed A through Z. Here you're going to enter an A. And then the final column, again, you're allowed to enter A through Z. Here you're going to enter a K. The filter, in this particular example, we're not going to set a filter. So we're going to leave that field blank. You would then click Next to move on. In the object drop-down list, you're going to select your record data and click Next. The operation loads with the record data object and displays a description of the request and response profiles. At that point, you can go ahead and click Save. And then when properly configured, your Google Sheets operation should match the example in this slide. In the next step, you would edit the request and response profiles to match the data elements in the example provided in this slide. Once complete, you can go ahead and click Save and Close. Thank you for watching this video. My hope is that it allowed you to successfully create a Google Sheets connection and operation with the desired profiles.